well, this is going to be an interesting video. Normally, the vehicle is stopped and not moving when I do a video, but as you can see, I have to wear this lime green seatbelt. I'm not the one who's driving, but he just hit his first 50 hours here at Swift drive time on our way to Texas. Well, actually, we're going to Virginia first. We got to drop this load, pick up a load from there. That goes to Texas. But there's no snow outside. And man, it's kind of pretty. We're going down 81 right through the mountain ranges. And we've seen some deer out on the side, just munching down on the grass and whatnot. But I thought it'd be kind of cool to get a video going down the road. It's pretty out here. It's a nice ride. Anyway, I'll probably do another video once we get parked and tack onto this. If not, thanks for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. If I do add another video, I'll be cutting that part out. Pretty simple. Anyway, have a good one, guys.